What's up, y'all? Back with another one. I'm out on the public lake I was talking about in one of the shorts I did today. I've done like 5 casts maybe, just trying to fish around it. I'm over in the rocks right now. There's this thing behind me. I'm jigging on this big old piece of structure, but I'm gonna try to fish a little bit tonight. Get up in the morning, try to do some fishing in the morning, like 7:30. That's the earliest I've got out on a public lake in a long time. I ain't been here in like 3 years, so there's a good chance we'll get something. There's actually definitely fish in this overflow, actually, and that don't make a lot of sense probably, but there's 100% fish in it, and we may fish it later. I don't know, but yeah, make sure to stay tuned because there's a good chance we're gonna get a nice bass out of here, or some. Not saying it's a bass, but we're probably gonna get something out of here. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay. Starting with this jig, the blue color. Oh, this would be bad. Since it's like 7 o'clock, not like right now. I'm gonna try to hit the. I just got hit. No joke. What are the freaking chances? What are the standards? Remember, you don't know what's happening in these big lakes very often. Like, I don't fish a lot of big lakes very often, so I don't know what's popping right now. What lures are working, what really anything. I'll talk to some people who fish this a lot. Okay, y'all. So, I didn't really wind up moving. I was just kind of fishing this for a little bit. I brought the big cameras, but I don't know if I'll film with them any. I'm not gonna fish in the morning on this video. Jig up on this big old, what's it called? Cove. Is that a fish? Nope. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. The big bass are right here. You couldn't see that. One of them big old shad things was happening. Like they're chasing shad, and probably 40 shad just shot up out of the water. Definitely wasn't trying to hook the bird. There was right in there where my lure is, where them bass will be chasing the shad and stuff, and they'll just freaking fly. So that means they're eating, but doesn't mean they're eating my lure. All it means is they're hungry. At least one's hungry. Probably got the bite. Something just hit it. I know dang good and well. There's a good fish in here. I just gotta find him. I got like 4 days, so I'm probably gonna film like a video a day. Heck, I could probably film like 6 videos while I'm here. And I might just do that for content because I've been slacking off and not posting more content. Like, I used to post like twice in a week or more. Now I post like once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. And I need to post more to get more content out there and grow. This is the one time where I'm usually Dude, what was that? Holy crap, something big hit it right here. And I'm surprised I'm getting this kind of action out of like as fished as this is. Holy, he's back. Oh, I can see him. Holy, he's like 4.5, maybe 5 pounds. I should have kept the gilly tied on. Man, fast boat. Oh yeah, I don't think I told anyone. I bought the Berkley gillies, and I haven't caught a fish on them because I haven't really fished that much. Fished like 4 casts with them here, like maybe 10 at home. So I haven't really fished them that hard. That was a horrible cast right there. We might just switch spots. And if I'm all honest, I could probably get one out of this. There's this thing over here. Try to show you. There's this overflow over here. Last time I was here, this little pond overflow was like over this road right here. As you can see, that's a pretty good ways up. I don't know if there's fish in here. I assume there is. Just saying, but they couldn't be big. Imagine there was just like a huge bass just sitting in there or something. Heck, there's a good chance there's like walleye in this lake too. I don't know the exact species of this lake because I haven't been to this one in several years. I'm gonna move spots. I'll catch you on a minute. I strolled up to this spot and there was a literal probably 4+ pounder sitting in the water. He saw me as I saw him and got out of here, and there's more bass. Them aren't big. He's about 15 ounces probably. I'm just gonna fish around here in a minute or for a little bit. I'm gonna try to get a camera angle. It's gonna be a little bit harder here, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get that set up. I'll catch you on a little bit. So I wasn't able to get one over there, but I haven't caught a fish today. I've landed it. Well, I haven't landed any. I've gotten like 2 hits the whole day, but I'm gonna end this video here. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share to a friend. I'll see y'all next time.